Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aishwarya, and if you're watching me for first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So for the first time on my YouTube channel, I'm going to share the products which I use for my skincare. And as you know, I recently turned 29, so it's important to change my skincare because the collagen production in my skin is decreasing because of the age. So yeah, so I have a very new regime which is suggested by a dermatologist. And yes guys, whatever the products I'm going to share you, it won't have good smell to it. It will be 100% like non-smell, non-fragrance, but it's really good for your skin. And doctor suggests that, so as per my skin requirements I have got it. So first of all, let's talk about what kind of skin I have. So mostly I have a dry skin because I'm very bad at drinking water, and I have a lot of freckles and some blemishes around my cheek area because I'm so sensitive with the sun even though I apply sunscreen. So we will start with a body gel, basically a kind of a shower gel. It's not just the purpose of washing your body, but it should be nice for your body. So and I have all the variants here available with me. So the benefit of using this is that it has niacinamide, which is really good for the complexion clearance, and salicylic exfoliating, which is amazing for your skin. And that's why I am about to use this product for my shower. And I have three variants in this, and these three of them have different kind of benefits. So the other one is this pink one. I really love the packaging. It's as beautiful the packaging is, the product is also very good. So this is Dot and Key skincare, and this is not at all sponsored. I have invested my own money for all these products, so don't think that I'm telling you something which is for which I'm paid. No, I did not paid for this, but I asked Dot and Key, please do the collaboration so that I'll be paid, right? So this Dot and Key skincare watermelon cool glycolic refresh shower gel, cucumber and peach. So this is so yummy in the smell as well. Oh my god, you will smell like peaches, and you know so this is amazing. I forgot to smell the green one. So this is also very nice. It smells like avocado maybe. So yeah, so the third variant I'm having, it's blueberry hydrate barrier repair with ceramide. So these three ingredients, which is niacinamide, glycolic acid, glycolic refresh and barrier repair ceramide, these three of them are extremely good for glow and whitening, and also for spots if any. So these three things you will also see in my further skincare which I will use for my face. So these are the shower gels which I'm gonna use. So I got three of them. You can switch anyone, right? So I got three of them because I just want to know how much they are suiting for my skin. So once I'll have shower with every one of it, and whatever I like the most, I will use it on the regular basis. So let's move with our CTM. CTM as in cleanser, toner, moisturizer, and your night skincare. So I don't have everything here which I'm very lazy for my skincare, but whatever I have ordered recently from Amazon, and also this is also not sponsored by Amazon or any other company, right? So whatever I have ordered, and I'm changing my skincare and I want to be so strict to it, that's why I have thought of sharing you. First thing is the face wash, which is skin cleanser from Cetaphil. We all know Cetaphil is the amazing product, and this is I'm gonna use as my cleanser, moisturizer. Sorry, the cleanser, and this is my moisturizer from Dot and Key again. So I think Dot and Key should sponsor this video, right? Because most of the products are from them. So this is a ceramides hyaluronic acid. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing wrong. Barrier repair moisturizer, probiotics, and rice water, which is amazing for your skin. And this is pH 5.5 dry combination and sensitive skin with 5 essential ceramides, intense moisturizing, repair and soothes, and it's fragrance free. which is really good, because sometimes we think if it smells good, it's good. No, it's not good, it's terrible for your skin. So this is the moisturizer. Sorry for the sound, because I have a balcony attached to my bedroom, from where all the traffic passes away. So yeah, let's in short do it. So this is my moisturizer. This is so amazing, the texture, and this has no smell, like said. So and I don't have any cutter to open it. So this is Dot and Key skincare, and this is vitamin C plus E super bright sunscreen, water light fluid, and SPF 50 plus PA, both spectrum with Sicilian blood orange, which is good for all the skin types, dewy finish, fights dullness and dark spots. So you know my problem, and according to my problem, this is the best sunscreen. Earlier I was using Lotus, which I come to know through a skin doctor that it's useless. So that's why I'm switching to this one, this face. So here I have Well, which is the SPF 50 sunscreen spray for my body, right? Because what happens, even though I use Nivea sunscreen which is 50 SPF, I apply that and it works nothing for me. I have been to the beach and I turns out to be so tan. So it was literally not helping me, right? And yeah, so this is what body spray is like. Again, it has a tape, so I can't show you the internal packaging, but it won't be that fancy. It is fragrance free and dermatologist tested. So this is the best product, and this is fast absorbing, non greasy, zero white cast, and this has protection, and this is also SPF 50 for the kind information. So here I have a body lotion which is not fancy at all, because it's a dermat suggested. So this is Wishcare AHA BHA body lotion, which again has those ingredients which I need. For example, 10% AHA blend plus 1% salicylic acid, niacinamide, grapefruit and blueberry, smooths rough and bumpy skin. So this moisturizer is gonna really target the problem you have, not like the Nivea, which is fancy. You see the celebs doing the ads, so you are using them. Not because of it. This is the actual problem solver. So quickly move to the very important thing among this whole skincare, is this thingy here, which is the most expensive product among all of these. This is the face cream with retinol. This is Pure Bubbles skincare, and this is again suggested by a dermatologist. And if I let you know about the 99 rupees, it means it's 1100. If you're ordering it from Amazon, you might save some money, like 200 to 300. So here is Pure Bubbles skincare face cream with retinol. So the ingredients are again niacinamide and shea butter and retinol, moringa and hydronate. So these are stuff which is inside, which are needed. So the percentage of the retinol, I'm supposed to tell you the percentage of the retinol, which I'm searching very eagerly. I guess it's 0.3%. Yeah. So this is what I'm gonna use, as I'm a beginner of using retinol. So I am recommended to use it twice at PM, so that I can check whether it's suiting my skin or not, and gradually I can start using every day. So the last but not the least, so we often use those baby lips or this kind of fancy lip balms. I also used to use Sugar, and you must have seen in one of my shorts that I was using Sugar cranberry flavored something lip balm. But this is what is needed for your lips. That is what you want to use it, just to have the taste or just to feel fancy. This doesn't look fancy, it looks medicated, but it has SPF. Just like your face, your body need SPF, your lips also need SPF. So if you are noticing that when you were 20 your lips were a bit lighter and now they are getting so much dark, so this is what you're supposed to be using. So this has a SPF 30. This is Seba Med lip care for sensitive care, and lip defense for dry and chapped lips. And yeah, so this is around 400 rupees. So I know if you are using 200 to 50 rupees of a lip balm, then you might find it little pricey, but I guess this is important if you need it. The product is quite a lot. It's this much for 450 rupees, which is very less. I know it will, I guess it will get over in 15 days, but what we can do, right? So that was all for the skincare products which I have recently introduced in my skincare. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can buy any of these products, but kindly talk to your doctor, because maybe my skin problem is different and your skin problem is different, because I have sensitive come dry skin. So according to weather my skin changes. So do not rely on me that I have blemishes so you start using the same product. Kindly talk to your doctor. I am sharing whatever I'm going to use, and I'm just, this is like a you know nicely sister suggestion to kindly check with your skincare what you are currently using, because according to your age you have to also change your skincare. So I hope you have liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you faced any voice problem, sounds behind, so I'm so sorry. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, take care. Mwah.